In a world where rice people exist and live peacefully in a bowl, or so they thought.
Hey, Jim, where are you?
I'm over here.
But I can't see you.
I know you can't see me.
Then where are you?
I'm right next to you.
But prove it.
I'm right next to you.
But I don't see you.
Everything looks like me. I'm right next to you.
But I can't find you. And we're in a park and there's many people here.
We're the only one here. Now I'm right next to you. Come and find.
This is good. This is really good. This is a lot better than I thought. This is like really, really good. This is really good. You should try some.